Hello and welcome to a Math Minute. The topic for this video is how to find the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. Now there's a couple different ways to do this. I'm going to go over in this video a way to do this using a method of diagonals. This method follows pretty naturally from the 2x2 determinant that you may know how to do already. It's important to note that this technique using diagonals is only going to work with the 3x3 matrix. So you're not going to be able to apply this technique to larger matrices. All right. So we've got a 3x3 matrix here. It's in determinant form with the bars, so I know what I want to do with it. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the first two columns of this matrix and you're just going to copy those columns behind your matrix. So I'm going to take this 3, 2, negative 3, and then 2, 0, negative 2, like so. I'm just going to copy those two columns down. Don't worry about the third one. To find this determinant with diagonals, what I'm going to do is find the product of the numbers on this diagonal, and this diagonal. I'm going to start with those. I'm going to do 3 times 0 times 3. Let's put this in parentheses. I'm going to add to that the next diagonal. 2 times 4 times negative 3. Add to that the next diagonal. Negative 1 times 2 times negative 2. Alright, so I've got those three diagonals. Let's just go ahead and work through that. There's more to this, but I'm kind of running out of room here. So let's just work through that. I've got 0. This next one's going to be minus. Looks like 24. Over here I've got 2 negatives, so that's going to stay plus. That's going to be 4. And I end up with negative 20 there. Okay, now from those three diagonals that I've got worked out, I'm going to subtract 3 more diagonals. I'm just going to do that work down here where I've got some extra space to write. So now I want the diagonals that start from the bottom left corner and work their way up through the matrix, like so. So I'm going to start with negative 3, 0, negative 1, plus, and then negative 2, 4, 3, plus, and then 3, 2, 2. So we're just going to hang on to that negative 20. It's already worked out. And then here, that's going to be 0. That's going to be negative 24. And then this over here is going to be 12. So we've got negative 20 minus, that looks like negative 12. The two negatives make positive there. So we've got negative 20 plus 12. And the result there is negative 8. So there's your 3x3 determinant using diagonals, very similar to the 2x2 where you did a diagonal minus a diagonal. The only difference here is we are doing 3 diagonals and then minus 3 diagonals. Okay? That will conclude this topic for this Math Minute. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for a future Math Minute, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching.